There are thousands of mods for a Jeep. This is one of the few that actually improves off-road performance for cheap. For about $60, you can ditch the bulky factory end caps, giving you more tire clearance and a more aggressive look while you save for a good lift. You get more front tire clearance, the bumper corners are less likely to catch on obstacles, and you keep the factory bumper's weight and simplicity. Just measure 3.5 inches all the way around the bumper. Apply tape for a reference and make a clean cut with your Sawzall. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now repeat on the other side and remove tape when you're done. Very good. Very nice. Unless you're planning to run a winch soon, the stock bumper is more capable than most people give it credit for. And if you're not doing too crazy trails, the stock bumper will be enough for a long time. Now just drill out cap holes with a 1/4-inch drill bit and install the provided clips to secure your new end caps. Simple, cheap, functional, homemade stubby bumper. That's my kind of upgrade.